I'm Brandon, a product marketing manager at Roomvo. Welcome to another Roomvo Pro how-to video. The purpose of this type of video is to show you how to get the most out of our products at Roomvo. In this video, I'll go through the My Products section of Roomvo Pro. Pro is a purpose-built portal which gives access to your visualizer's performance data and lets you manage the visualizer experience. The My Product Pages section in Pro allows you to view and manage all your products that are in the Roomvo visualizer. Today, we'll cover three main areas. First, we'll do an overview of the My Product section of Pro and its core features. Next, we'll go over how to edit individual products, your SKUs. And last, we'll see our changes live in the visualizer. To orient yourself on the landing page, you should see the My Products icon on the home screen near the center. Let's get started. Once selected, you should now be on the My Product Pages home screen. Here you can see all the products your company carries. We can edit and review existing products, disable them, and publish any changes. Now let's walk through the basic functionality and some recent updates. Today we're going to cover 5 main areas. First, you can see the status tabs across the top. Second, you can see the search and export CSV buttons. Third, are filter and options. Fourth, there are collapsible rows. Last, you can see product action icons. First, we'll see 4 tabs across the top, just under the My Product section header. These tabs allow the user to quickly see the status of products. Let's take some time to go through each of these sections and explain what they do. The first tab is Live Products. Here, you'll see all products that are currently live in the visualizer. The second tab is Discontinued Products. This shows products that are no longer available, either marked as discontinued or out of stock. The third tab is Pending Changes. This shows products that can have changes made but have not been published. It can include products that are already live in the visualizer. From here you can publish directly to the visualizer. The fourth tab is Failed Products. This shows products that failed to build in the visualizer. Second, we can easily search for products in the top right. This filters the table results automatically as you type. Let's try searching for ceramic products. Now we can easily find all the ceramic products that are live. You'll also notice a button near the top to export data to a CSV file. This sends a report to our email that we can easily open with Excel or Google Sheets. We'll see a brief pop-up letting us know that it was successful. It's that easy. Now we'll just clear the search. The third area we're covering is Filters and Column Options, located on the right. This lets us filter what products and columns appear in the product table. If we click on the filter icon, we can see several fields to choose from: product type, families, color, and more. Then we'd simply select the filters we want and hit apply to see the new results in the table. Let's try removing rugs. Great. Now we can see rugs were removed from our table. You may notice along the top, you can see the filter currently selected. If you want to clear the filter, you can simply click this X while on the home screen. Clicking the gear icon, Column Options, will let us add or remove columns that are in the current table view. Let's try removing color. Great. Now we can see that the color column has been removed. Fourth, we can expand and collapse products that are grouped together for simple viewing. So let's scroll down and find an example. Let's try expanding this demo floors category. So we can see 2 products here and simply collapse it back down. Last, if we hover over any product in the table, we can see a few icons on the right. Each product row has access to edit, a link to the visualizer, and a virtual sample. Some customers, such as dealers, will only be able to edit a few areas and won't have a link to the visualizer or virtual sample. Next, we'll take a deeper dive at our latest update, which lets us edit products directly for quicker changes and more control. Don't worry, we'll walk you through the process and show you how you can get to editing products in no time. To get to the Edit Products page, we'll have to click the pencil icon next to the product that we want to edit. Let's try editing the Cooper Medium product. Depending on your business, you may see different fields available to edit here. You can edit key information here, like pricing, availability, and tags. Let's try changing the name first. We'll change it to Cooper Cool Gray. Now let's try adding a promotional tag. Tags are used to highlight certain products and grab shoppers' attention. You can see tags such as in stock, on sale, and bestseller. Let's choose bestseller for this one. And that's it. Once done with our edits, we click Save and Exit. Now let's return to the My Products homepage. You'll see a blue banner along the top indicating you've made a product change. Great news, if there is more than one product change that you want to make, we can bundle them together and publish them all at once, or do them one at a time. Finally, we'll select Publish Edits to make the changes we just made live in the visualizer. You'll see the banner message change, and it'll take some time, usually within an hour, before we can see the changes. This will be dependent on the number of changes that were requested. We'll also receive an email notification once it's ready. After receiving the email, now we can go back to the visualizer to see the changes we've just made. To do this, we'll click on the visualizer link from the product we just edited. So we'll go back to Cooper Medium Gray, click on Preview in Visualizer. Next, we'll simply select any of the sample rooms. So we'll choose the living space. Here, you can see the product name changed with our tag bestseller displayed. It's that easy. That's the end of this session. In this tutorial, we covered three main areas. First, we did a brief overview of the My Products section of Pro. Second, we covered how to edit individual products. And third, was seeing our changes live in the visualizer. I hope you can see how easy we've made it to manage products in the Pro portal. If you need any help or further information, please reach out to your Roomvo Customer Success Manager or Website Account Specialist, who will be happy to help. Thanks for watching.